Hello everybody. Today we are gonna try to keep the set of our photo shoot consistent across multiple photos. So we'll keep the photo shoot set consistent, but we'll change the models and what they're wearing. So let's get started. As a first step, um, let me add a product. 3 launch 1. Let's then head directly to the generation, and maybe let's get a female model. Let's give her a specific hair color with dark hair, wearing this luxury lounge wear. So let's describe the set. Maybe she's in a studio set surrounded by pillows. And I think I have the bottom of this, so let's upload it as well. Here we go. And let's see what we get. Let's try with Seedream and also with Gemini, because these are the two models that can take image references. Let's see which one gives us the best aesthetic. Okay, both are at the same time. This is not bad, but it's not really a studio set. This is more like it. And we have the details here. I think this is cool. So let's say this is our first photo with these first two products. And others, it's really straightforward, but there's two ways to do this. First is to stay in the image generation. And we can, let me upload my second clothing. So this is a black luxury loungewear. Then I have back to images, and so I'm gonna add my primary clothing here. I'm gonna add this photo that has the set that I want to keep as a reference. So it's this one. I'm gonna describe and I'm gonna instruct the model with what I want. So we want a female model, this time with blonde hair, wearing a black luxury loungewear. So people sometimes ask me, do I need to tell the model, oh, this black luxury loungewear, like the luxury loungewear in photo number 1? The answer is, I don't know. We give the model the images in a certain order. It seems like you can instruct it, say photo 1, photo 2, photo 3, but it also works well when you just describe the image you want and the reference images correspond to what you're describing. What I always say is just like try both, try both until you get really the photo you want. She is in a studio set surrounded by pillows. The other thing is, okay, let me launch and then I can explain a bit more. The other thing that I explain to user is when you have the prompt enhance ticked on, we'll we try to reorganize the prompt so it corresponds to what the specific model here, Gemini, for example, is looking for. See, here's I did two Gemini. Oh, okay, I see. Here it get the set. I have the blonde hair, but I think it is the same person. Yeah. So let's give it another try. And this time I will remove the prompt enhance. So there's no transformation in my prompt, and I can maybe describe more and go more in detail. Generate a new female model with blonde hair wearing the black luxury loungewear. So let's reference it this time in photo 1. She's in the studio in photo 2. This time I'm gonna pick Seed Dream as well, so we see which one is better at following this weird set of instructions. Okay, this is much better. This is not the same person. She's blonde, and I think this is Seed Dream. Seed Dream tried to keep the person consistent. We're still in the same set. Where's my first photo? Yeah, I like this one. I think we can consider this a success. Let me save this one. Now let me show you the second way to do this. Is through the edit, where we start from the image that has the right tape position and set, and we can instruct the model to swap. So swap the model with a new model with long hair. She is wearing the loungewear attached in photo 2. Let me attach it. You see here, I didn't ask to keep the pause consistent, but I think it should do it without me asking. Let's see. Okay. I think we're getting different person, although they look very similar. I think a way to do this is you can give, if you give it like a nationality, it will like skew the model towards a new realm of possibilities. So instead of just saying with a new female model, maybe we can say Swedish or any any nationality that has can have blonde hairs. Just want to see if we get a different face. A little bit. Probably the best if you have a model is to just add maybe that face and that model as a reference, or to do it directly in the image generation. But in any case, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how we could like replicate the exact same set across our photo shoots. So hopefully will be useful. And if you guys find like a third way, additional way to do this, please let me know, and we'll make another video. Cheers.